Hi everyone, welcome to Share and Review, where today we're going to take a look at Stride Property Group. Before I jump across, just remember that this is for educational purposes only. No way is it intended for any personalised financial advice. If you're looking for that, then you do need to go and have a chat to your own financial advisor or even share broker. So let's take a look at Stride. Okay, so I've got Stride Property Group up here on the screen, and you can sort of almost see, in my view, that it's really sort of trending down, really. You've sort of got moments where Stride's share price falls, then it has a little bit of rebound, then we fall again, rebound, perfect dead cat bounce almost. So last week, the market did close down for the week. It's not setting the world on fire for me. We'll just go and put a moving average on just to see how that looks. We're going to use a 200 period moving average in this one case, just to sort of get an idea where the overall market's going. And you can see here with this line, it's basically on a downward trajectory. Let's pop it over a 5-year chart and just see. Yeah, so pretty much when it fell through the 200-week moving average, which was back in November 2021, it's been trading downwards. And I can always tell this because the moving average is sitting above where the share price is. And that's always a strong indicator that if your shares are trading below the moving averages, or your moving average signal is above your shares, then the market's in a downward trajectory. Hey, who knows, it could turn around. I'm not into the game of trying to check that. But to me, that is one strong reason why I wouldn't be looking at investing into Stride Property Group at this stage. It looks like it still pays a regular quarterly dividends. I've spoken on that before. I don't tend to invest into shares solely for the dividends. If they do happen to pay a dividend, then that's a bonus, but I'm not investing solely for the dividends, purely because this can happen with what's happening with Stride Property Group. You can get your dividend, the share can keep falling, and basically the dividends are not going to make up for the loss in value. If I go back to that 5-year chart again, so if you'd, it reached a high at around August 2021, and it looked like it was sort of around that $2.70 mark, and now it's only trading at $1.34. So yeah, you've lost over 50% of your capital pretty much, and so the dividends aren't going to make that up. Let's go back to that 2-year chart again. Right, let's change that moving average, and we will make it a 30-week, normally do, and we will also pop on the 15-week moving average as well. So you can see here that last week Stride Property Group has really just fallen through that 30-week moving average, and it's also fallen through the 15-week one as well. It looks like they're getting very, very close that it could almost go through, which again would be, so if the 15-week moving average fell through the 30-week, then that would be another negative indicator for this particular share. It's certainly not something that I would be wanting to entertain at all. Let's take those off, and we will also see how it's been comparing to the main board here. So you can see here that the main board is certainly trading up around at least 12% higher than where Stride Property Group is. That for me is another red flag as to why I wouldn't be investing into Stride. So there's a few red flags today in this one. So anyway, I hope that's helped. Like I just said, Stride wouldn't be a share for me. But if there are any shares you'd like me to review, by all means, pop them in the chat. I'm happy to take a look and just run my eye over it. And it's, like I said, it's my methodology as to what I would use for buying any shares. And it doesn't have to just be limited to the New Zealand market. We can take a look at any market that you'd like. So let me know. Until next week, take care.